Good morning, teacher. My name is Martin Silva. I am from no ninth grade. Today, for the exam, I will say four words, four gadgets, three sentences with shall, and three with have to. GPS, GPS, remote control, REMOTECONTROL, flashlight, FLASHLIGHT, MP3 player, MP3 PLAYER. Should. You should pay attention in class. You should do your homework. You should go to class. Have to. You don't have to use your cell phone in class. You have to use your cell phone for so long. You have to use a computer for homework or assignments. Thanks you teacher and have a great weekend. Bye bye.